May kami ba na? Sige na, sige na.
We are the lead. Leopold's Party, handa na kami. Magbiko sa inyong ngayong eleksyon. Kami ay iboto sa kaunlaran. Magkaisa tayo. Lead. We are the best in this election. We are the one. We are the best. Willing to give hands. Ready to serve you with excellence. We are the best. Make a beautiful world. Make a beautiful life. Give love, give help, give sunshine. Pagkat magagaling at matulungin. Huwag kalimutan ang mahalahan. Kami inyong iboto. Hi! Lead Pupils Party. Hi! This coming election, don't forget to vote for us. Leaders for Excellence and Academics and Development Pupils Party. Lead Pupils Party.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vanessa running for grade 3 representative under the banner of the Please Vote Me and my team. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Steve Labor, representative to grade 1. Please vote in my name. Good morning, everyone. My name is Manuel Capitan from grade 5 Rizal, representative of grade 6 under the banner of the Please Vote Me and my team.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Charlotte Roberta, running for protocol officers under the banner of Lead. Please vote me and my team. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Natalie Wala Marcela from grade 4 Masali. I'm running for this voting under the banner of Lead. Please vote me and my team. Good morning, everyone. I'm Pedro Caniedo from grade 5 Rizal. Running for auditor under the banner of Lead. I will do my best as auditor. Please vote me and my team. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Mariana May Salas from grade 5 Rizal. Running for a treasurer under the banner of Lead. I manage our funds carefully and make sure every principal. Thank you, vote me and my team. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm Grace Isaya from grade 4 Mahara, running for secretary under the banner of Lead. I promise to write down every idea, clear, share updates with all of you, and keep our team on schedule. Thank you to me inviting me. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Lagos Inescal, running for vice president under the banner of Lead, and I will do my best as a vice president. And please vote me in my team. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Mrs. Grace Cesar from grade 5 Rizal, running for president under the banner of Lead. I promise to make our school fair for all. Fix things we need. Thank you to me for leading the way and team standing by us. Babasa program. Kini nga platform ang mga officers magtabang o pabasa sa mga struggling readers. Lead Hand Program. Kada night program sa school, isa sa mag-lead o guide ang officers sa pagtabang sa teachers sa education of restoration. Bawat bata bumabasa ng Biblia. Ang mga officer isolong na kada bata may ma-learn na verse kada week.
Bantay basura. Ang mga